It is officially summer, which means it's time to fire up the grill. And now it's time for our barbecue recipe of the week. You guys are gonna die. Today we are making a beautifully grilled salmon that features a crunchy topping with a nutty flavor. Wendy Paul joining me on the plaza to make her pistachio grilled salmon. Okay, here's the thing.
Yes.
We love Wendy so much, and she is such a
Thank
delightful
you.
person that even if you, I don't know, didn't cook, we just invite you to hang out with us.
I will come hang out any day of the week.
But then you make something like this that I know, knowing you,
Yeah.
is doable, it's easy, I can
Yep.
take it on.
All three of them, that's what this recipe offers. So it's a really fancy way to serve salmon. It literally takes just a few minutes to put together, Brooke, and you will knock everyone's socks off.
Pistachio grilled salmon.
Yes. All right. So we're going to start with the topping first.
Okay.
So I've got some breadcrumbs,
Okay,
some Parmesan cheese.
please.
Okay. Pistachios, and I preferred it to have a little bit of chunkiness in it.
Okay.
Just for the texture.
Yeah.
So a little like a rough chop.
Okay, okay.
Don't go overboard. Some red pepper flakes.
Spice it up, sister.
And then some fresh parsley.
I'm suddenly realizing we're so boring with our salmon. Like, when was the
Yeah.
last time you put cheese on salmon? Can we put
Right?
cheese on salmon?
Oh, you can put anything on.
Okay.
You can put cheese on anything.
Okay, well, yes.
Okay,
I'd
so we've
subscribe
got
to
our
that.
little topping. All right, now we're gonna do kind of like the marinade, which is gonna go over the salmon before we put the topping on.
Okay.
We're layering flavors,
I'm
right?
so
Okay.
excited.
So a really good olive oil. This is where you don't wanna cheap out and just do really cheap stuff, okay?
You don't like my green lid olive oil?
Well, I mean, you could, but I like a little bit
Okay.
nicer olive oil. You're gonna have that nice, rich, smooth, fruity flavor, okay?
Got it.
Then we're gonna do Mike's Hot Honey. So
Come
it's
on,
not
Mike.
just for pepperoni pizza anymore. Let's put it on our salmon.
Uh-huh.
So just a nice, tablespoon, 2 tablespoons,
Okay.
okay? And then we're gonna do some lemon,
This is coming together so quick.
right? I told you it'd be fast.
You promised.
Okay,
You
so
delivered.
the juice of 1 lemon.
What are you doing, catching the seeds?
I'm catching the seeds in my
Such a
hand.
pro.
Just quick, right?
Such a pro.
Okay, do you wanna whisk that
I
together?
do. I
Okay.
absolutely do.
So here's a little whisk. So whisk that together, just really gently. That's gonna combine the honey and the beautiful olive
I
oil.
can smell it.
I know, it
Let's
smells
just
so
breathe
good.
together. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
I
Okay.
know, so good. All right, so here's our beautiful salmon fillet, Brooke. Oh, that looks perfect. Okay.
Good with it?
Yep. We're gonna just drizzle this right over the top. Okay, you don't have to be perfect. A little can spill off, no big deal.
So we don't have to coat it necessarily. It's just
No,
gonna kind of...
this is just the part of making it easy, right?
Okay.
Just coat it all. All right. Get all that flavor out. Okay. Now we're going to just
Go for it.
have at it.
Pile it on.
Pile it on.
This is the Parmesan. This is the pistachio.
the breadcrumbs for crunch and texture. And you're gonna have your grill preheated to about 400 degrees. This
Okay.
only takes about 15 minutes, Brooke. So what I did earlier is I parboiled half-cooked potatoes.
Okay.
And got those ready. They could go on the grill sheet with your salmon.
Uh-huh.
So you could flavor them with salt and pepper, some garlic, whatever you need. And you've got a full meal that's gonna just impress everyone.
This looks amazing.
Doesn't it just
tastes
look
amazing.
great?
Now, how do we know salmon's done on the grill? I mean,
Okay, so I like to look for flakiness.
Okay.
And just when the juices start to run clear,
Uh-huh.
15, 20 minutes tops
That's
is
it.
all it needs. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's super fast.
Here
so
we have it with the veggies on the side. It could be a
Yeah.
one-pan meal.
a one-pan meal, we'll just put it right on the grill.
I am so giddy about this. It sounds like something you would order
We're ready
at a
to go.
fancy restaurant,
Oh,
but it's so
absolutely.
doable for the home cook.
Absolutely,
Where are
yeah.
you sourcing your salmon?
Okay, so salmon, you guys, you know I'm cheap. I went to Walmart.
Thank you.
So Walmart has great fish, and I've never had anything bad. Also, Harmon's has great fish, and Smith's Marketplace. So
Okay.
just find some on sale,
Yeah.
and use it.
This is
Yeah.
our barbecue recipe of the week, pistachio grilled salmon.
Right?
Wendy, thank you for sharing this
You're
and kicking off
welcome.
a season of great grilling here on Studio
Yes,
5.
so
Where can we
happy.
get more recipes from you?
So follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul, and I'll have some more fun grilling because you guys got me inspired. I have a whole list now of things I
good.
want to grill.
Which means we get to watch along.
Yeah, so we'll have some fun.
All right, and your husband's really excited for this lunch
is
today.
so excited
I know.
for lunch.
It's coming for you, Brian.